Hello everyone, welcome to my first video with an open mic recording. I've been sick for the other videos so I couldn't really talk on the mic, but we're going to visit mid-tier with the T44 122. This was my first premium. It got me about halfway through the tree before I had to get the 2S38 and the T80 UD. Those are doing just fine for me right now, but I haven't been to mid-tier in a while, so we're going to revisit it with this tank. It's got a pretty slow reload rate, but I'm pretty sure we'll be just fine because it's got great armor and pretty much a one-shot gun. So let's go. Now what happens here is I usually only bring about 15 shells because of that slow reloading rate. I'm usually never able to kill an enemy, but for the sake of this I'm just going to bring maybe 2 or 3 8G shells. And we're gonna get hope there is. Got it. Very good spot. Especially for reload rate that was just real sick. There. Got that. Oh yep. Oh shoot. Somewhere else, mostly out of the main battlefield or out of the plants, just because this thing has a reload rate that can cost me probably 3 kills if I had 7 something. Out of the hill, that's quite, oh, there it is. Try to cut across this opening real quick. Oh, yep, saw that. Say we were definitely about to get sniped. There now? Oh, what the hell just happened? How in the world did I whip that? No, I can late. Ooh, that was threatening. Oh no! Oh no! Greatest circumstance. Yep. Okay, our armor is holding up very well. Okay, yep. We are done. Catch him. Got each other. Okay. This tank could be better. Reload rate is stabilizer are so shitty, but it can work. Whoa. Switch cheese. I'm gonna try and get one more kill with this thing. Oh. From flying. The enemy is winning. We must counterattack. Really sure. Let me have. Oh. Okay, well, it will. Let's get rid of that. Assist is enough. anyway, I mean, that was a pretty bad match. That wasn't much of a good map for the T44. There's just not a lot of cover for it, especially when at the points, but we're gonna do this one more time. I'm surprised there's nobody else here. Finish this guy off here. I'll go maybe this. Peek back over that. Yep, come on. I see you. I'm gonna wait for you. And yeah, he missed his shot completely. He just hit that hill. Should actually probably stay in cover over there. Oh jeez. Hello, kind sir. Oh, there's two of you. Oh, right. Yep. Right. Not expecting much there. Yep. I should have been forward, but whatever. I would have died anyway. This reload is so slow. We'll go in the LA9. I thought I saw some units in there. Air targets, actually. We'll go armored targets in case I can take out a tank. I doubt it though.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
There we go. It's 2 kills. Glad I did choose AP rounds. Oh. Thank you, F4. That was crazy. Yep, I saw that coming. The hospitals. I hate the hospitals. Anyway, that's it for the video. I mean, I didn't play very good, but I'm pretty sure I like mid-tier. I like it a lot. Yeah, the T44 could be better, but didn't do anything with the IS-2 because that stupid thing. The LA9, I mean, I'm surprised it got that kill, but it was pretty fragile at the same time. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you want to see, but that's it.